Hello, incredible stampers. Today I have a quick card tutorial to show you on how to make your own invitations or announcements. Look at that baby, it's so cute. So did you know that you could take a photo and make a card out of it? You could use it as a thank you gift, you could use it as an announcement, as an invitation, and with births and graduations and weddings and engagements and all that stuff coming up this time of year, it's a great time of year to make something like this. So I will show you quickly how you can make one yourself. So I think you can see that. For today's project, what you're going to need is a card base, and I'm using the Whisper White. This is the thick card base. It's a thicker, heavier cardstock, and since I don't have a lot of layers on this card, I like the thicker cardstock. You're also going to need a layer of designer series paper, and all of these products and the measurements and stuff will be on my blog. Then you're going to need a photo, and obviously you're going to want it to fit on your designer paper. So find a photo that works, and black and white I find is the best, but you can use anything. And then actually I did not have a stamp for this, what I wanted to say. So this is our Whisper White cardstock. I just created what I wanted it to say on a Word document and printed it off. Chose the fonts that I wanted and printed it off. So if you don't have the right stamp or the exact thing that you want a stamp to say, create it on your Word document and print it out. And then I also have another piece here just to give it a little extra color. Not sure, I might use the white side, but just a scrap piece. And what we're gonna do with these, so let's just go ahead and put our layers on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some snail on the back of my designer paper. Put one in the middle. And I'm gonna adhere that to my card base. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my photo, and the same thing, I'm just going to put some snail adhesive on the back of the photo, and then I'm going to center it onto my layer as well, just like that. Okay, now for your banner pieces here, you have two options. I believe you could use your triple banner punch. It's 3 different sizes that you could use to do that. So that's one option. But honestly, sometimes I just like using this one. Now this is an old punch. This is the hexagon punch. So if you don't have this retired product and you want a current product, you could use the triple banner punch. That's current. But if you have this retired hexagon punch, it works really well too. And all you would do is you take well, in the banner punch, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just would line it up where, depending upon the size, and you push it all the way back and then just punch. And that would give you your banner image. But on this one thing I like about this is I can just see a little bit better. So I'm just lining up this point, but I know roughly, I can see where the center of my banner is. And I'm just going to punch. So that gives us our one banner image. Yeah, that works. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing with this scrap piece. We'll start out just punching this one end. I did a little bit different on this baby card that I did. Then, and I think I kind of like that one showing first. Don't know, maybe not. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach a little bit of snail on the back of this one, and I am going to cover up. I'm just trying to place it kind of where I want it. I don't really like how that looks, so I am going to go ahead and do a punch on this one and make it banner as well. I think I'm going to like that a lot better, just because I was having trouble when I layer the two of getting it right where I want it. Okay, I like that. I like that where it is. So now what I have, on this one you see I had some twine that matched. For this card I don't have any twine, but I have these fun sequins. Go ahead and attach a couple dimensionals on the back of this. And then that will just give it some more depth and dimension. Got my trash pieces over here. So I think I'm gonna just do that. I think I like it just like that. I am gonna cut, they're on a long strand here, and I'm just gonna kind of have it where it's kind of folded over. So I think I'm going to cut, I'm gonna cut it right about there. I'm just gonna cut the strand. Okay, I cut that strand, and then I think I'm just going to glue dots here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a glue dot there and just adhere that to the side and kind of flip it so it lays like that. Just like that. So it has a little bit of bling to it, a little bit of shine. So there you go. I hope you liked today's project. If you'd like to see more of my tutorials, please remember to hit subscribe, and that way you will get notified of any of my upcoming videos. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. And I'd love to see what projects you come up with. Take your project, download it, and share it on my comments, and we'll see you next time. Have an incredible day. Bye.